ಕರಾವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನವರಾತ್ರಿಯ ವೈಭವ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವೈಭವದ ನಡುವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲಿ ಕುಣಿತ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇಷದ ಅಬ್ಬರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಶಾರದಾ ಮಾತೆಯ ಆರಾಧನೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾವಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನ ಮಹತೋಬಾರ ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಶಾರದಾ ಮಾತೆಯ ಶಾರದೆ ಎದುರು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಾರದಾ ಮಾತೆಯ ಎದುರು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಧರಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬಳು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಆಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈಕೆ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಜರ್ಮನಿಯ ಹೆಂಬರ್ಗ್ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಝಾನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಶಾರದೆಯ ಎದುರು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ತಾನು ಶಾರದೆಯ ಎದುರು ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಆದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಹಾಯ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Hello, I'm Jeanne, and I am from Germany, from the beautiful city Hamburg, and I am here in India for a year to discover the whole society, the culture, and learn a lot.
Okay, how was the culture of India?
The culture of India is so different from what I know, and especially here at this temple, I made my first actual experiences with the culture, especially when it comes to festivals, which is so special. Like the whole way the religion and the culture is being shown in this festival, and in the ceremonies praising the gods, that is just so heartful and so honest. I really appreciate it a lot, and everyone is so kind-hearted and taking me in, and I really don't have any words for how awesome everything is.
You prayed?
Yes, I did.
What you prayed?
I prayed for good luck and for me having a wonderful time here, me being able to give something back as well, not only take in the good experiences but also leave a good picture back, and for everything to just end up right.
Where you stayed? Where you stayed here?
Well, I'm staying at Varanasi Farms as a volunteer, doing farm work, but I'm especially here for the intercultural experience. And that's what I'm doing right here in this temple, right at this moment. And I love it. Thank you, everyone, for letting me be part of this.
Okay. Did you see such type of festival in your city?
I only have been here for a tiny while, so I haven't been able to experience a lot yet. This temple last week, actually, I've been here before, and that was my first actual intercultural experience here in India, and it was a very good start, to be honest. It was amazing, and now I decided to come back to meet my new friends again, and I'm on my way to Mysore to attend the final day of the festival Dasara as well. So it's just getting more and more, and I love it.
You watched tiger dance and all?
I've watched it, not today, sadly. I missed it, but I've watched it the other day, and it's just crazy. Like what
crazy.
Crazy what people can do. And at the first moment, it seems absurd coming from another culture where that would be unbelievable, unimaginable. But if you think about it, it's just such a lovely way to show the enthusiasm of life and of love and of the religion and the belief as well. So just amazing to watch.
Did you know about our language, Tulu? You know? Tulu?
I'm learning Kannada right now, which is it's different than
say some words.
On Kannada. Okay. Namaskar. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಾನ್ ನಾನು ದೇಶ ಜರ್ಮನಿ
ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಜರ್ಮನಿ.
ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Canada. Not Canada, not like the country, but Canada. Okay.
Do you know about Tulu?
Tulu. Yeah, but so I think I'm focusing on one language for now for learning.
Okay.
Because if I start learning Kannada and Tulu simultaneously, I think that would be too much for my mind.
I'll say some words to you.
Yes.
ಎಂಚ ಉಲ್ಲರ್.
Yencha
ಉಲ್ಲರ್
Ular.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ how are you? ಎಂಚ
Ular. Yencha Ular.
Yes.
Okay, easy.
Say once more.
Encha Ular.
Yeah, oh super.
Encha Ular.
ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇವರೊಂದು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಕಿ ಎಸ್, ಭಜನಾ ಮಂದಿರದ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಿಂದ
How are you?
I'm great. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಡ್ಡೆವ್ಲೆ.
Iddole. That is in Tulu.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಡ್ಡೆವ್ಲೆ.
Iddole. Yeah, okay. Iddole.
Okay.
What is Sanda?
How you adjust to our food culture and all?
The what? The food?
Food.
Oh, it's amazing. It's so nice and spicy, and I feel like German food is kind of bland. So you have the different things, and it's also kind of nice. But here you feel the food is supposed to bring energy, and it's supposed to taste amazing. And it's amazing. I love Indian food.
Which one is your favorite food?
So I do like pretty much every sort of chutney. Chutney is amazing.
Chutney.
It's just such a basic nice thing, but samba as well.
Samba.
And how's the sweet stuff called again?
Paisam.
Paisam. But it's so addictive. It's dangerous. It's so addictive. You can't stop eating it. Yeah. So these are my favorites, and obviously all the fruits, like the fresh fruits, coconut, banana, all fresh from the tree. That is amazing as well.
What's your favorite
Fruit.
food?
Favorite food ever? I think so. In Germany, it would be potato because we do everything with potato, and here in India, I would say it's a good coconut.
Coconut.
Yes,
Coconut.
because we don't have that in Germany. So it's something very special.
Potato. Your potato or batate? Okay.
Potato means batate.
Okay, patate. In Canada.
Kannada batate.
Patate.
Alugedde.
Alugade.
Yes.
Alugade.
Okay. Thank you for giving an interview.
Sure. Anytime. It was a pleasure, and thank you guys for taking me in here so well and being so kind and so open.
You say thank you in Tulu?
How do you?
I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. How do you do?
Maateregla. Solmelu.
Solmelu.
Yeah. You say namaskar. Maateregla solmelu.
Materegla solmelu.
Yes. Once more.
Materegla solmelu. Everyone.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇದು ಜರ್ಮನಿಯ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಶಾರದಾ ಮಾತೆಯ ದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಬಟಾಟೆ ಇಷ್ಟಂತೆ, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪಾಯಸ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಫೇವರಿಟ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಂಚ ಉಲ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಳುವಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ತನಕ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪೂರ್ಣ ತುಳುವಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಜರ್ಮನಿಯ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಶಾರದೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಂಗತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಚಂದ್ರಕಾಂತ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದಾಮೋದರ ದಂಡೋಲೆ, ಸುದ್ದಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಪುತ್ತೂರು.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ.
That's my gadget. Let's go have some fun then.
You feel the heat. Introducing the hot and techy Brezza SCNG. Cool new SCNG tech for a cool new generation.